El Fuerte Marbella has long been a landmark on Marbella's beachfront promenade. Recently reborn as a 5-star property, it combines a rich history with fresh interiors, thoughtful dining, and well-being facilities. The hotel offers 251 rooms and suites with sea or garden views and a range of dining options from the rooftop edge by Paco Pérez to the beachside Solio. Its central location puts Marbella's old town just a short stroll away. Arriving at El Fuerte Marbella, the experience starts outside the hotel with the valet parking your car and a bellman swiftly taking our luggage. The hotel sits right on the Paseo Marítimo, the lively promenade beloved by cyclists, joggers, and those taking leisurely strolls, all accompanied by the sound of the Mediterranean waves. One of the highlights for me was the private selected lounge. It is a quiet space just for selected guests, serving a selection of alcoholic drinks, refreshments and snacks throughout the day. Breakfast at El Fuerte is a highlight. Alongside an impressive buffet with a la carte hot options, selected guests enjoy an exclusive tasting breakfast that celebrates the region's finest local produce. The menu thoughtfully pairs sourdough breads with a selection of butters and honey varieties sourced nearby. Elegant dishes arrive one by one, such as a delicate Iberian ham waffle topped with smoked salmon and a creamy potato and spinach omelette made with carefully confit ingredients. The hotel's dining options are as varied, and allow you to mix fine dining with more relaxed daytime options. Edge by Paco Pérez, on the rooftop terrace, is the signature dining experience. Paco Pérez crafts the menus and visits to ensure quality. I enjoyed some standout dishes, including a pre-starter of Malaga clams served on a seaweed bed, a starter of quail cannelloni with bechamel, and a main dish of coin beef fillet in Café de Paris sauce. On the beach, Solio has a truly Mediterranean feel. Listening to waves gently lapping the shore as I savored local seafood, including battered cod, fritters with local scarlet shrimp and traditional tapas like tortillita de camarones. The space is informal, yet elegant, perfect for a sunset meal after a day on the sand. Levante, the terrace restaurant, offers a breezy midday option with creative street food-inspired dishes. Levante, the terrace restaurant, offers a breezy midday option with creative street food-inspired dishes. The spa uses Clarins products, and the wet area with hydrotherapy pools invites guests to slow down and restore. The outdoor pools and shaded gardens provide further options to relax.